ukugania kugutwara Burayi bubegeta maganio y'abananchi bosio natari obwa Barayi barigetie kuigotia chinda cyabo baraboka banyene
onye ukore sukari gesima ore sukari kemera onye ukobeke para gesima onye ukobeke para gachuba onye ukobeka rigoma teka kemera teka magombo teka manga igo buno ugura onko batinga mwese ko ngari bagali Burayi bakituma saba 2027 go chimotwe nimba korere gasi etari go bagua namba ya kabere nimba korere gasi ende tanya okorekanaga mwese korere boge tutu bone ganya nyane para yera mikonyo ne gasi enko asenge ntotoko ntora Barayi baenda bacha korigi self interest tika bakorigiri baga byo gotokorere gasi bachora self interest nakingo korancha uruna ne kabere
nkuribo tirigata sene kyaga tembe korega se county ya Nyamira iritrane ngoro kwa Daniel untiri
Homoli kitodani runtire sorobotiro ekenyoro kia nyanchoka kegotoka sewadia kia banyure bunge ya Burabwe kaunti ya Nyamira estimate nyakobwe kwekenyore kyo korende homwelio ye barene kibako kera maiga yekenyore kyo kobekwa somorobirio ogochia kobekwa estima wetira somorobirio serikali umanyaka ine last mile connectivity oyorengete gochia asomo Kenya kobekerwa estima ekenyoro kia nyanchoka nigo abantu wetani meyemo Barachio konyeka no murubiri yiga asukagerwe chikoira shiringi chimilioni 10 asohora chikoire meti nyebere helio hoikomwelio mori kitofadiga dikisemba no roboti rwa senchira yobwikirano
Maiga yokobera asumusunte ase emyaka emenge batarine estima ase kenyoro kya nyanchoka kegotoka esa brocation ya nyanchoka ewodi ya kyabonyoru ebunge ya Burabu nigo abamenyi benseme yo bare ne kibakogokera maiga yomuroberio bugochia kubekerwa estima gochakiwa
ngo yi kasi ya Redek emita mfuri sawa chitwa kwerende metendeye ne yeito umuntu ondwase gocha mutingo ngagresimi igwemete neito chigwane embitamfu nguri ekebo pio boxing kwa embitamwa akoleki wakane muzo nanga chibesa ngamba buri mwina ngachibesa selfu moja mubakani eyefu ifuri ngobara kila kitu ni free mambo ya serikali ya Kenya
Korengana Nerezado Kicheriot oyore umusupervisor orelek ime ye county ya Nyamira nigo atebire kenyoro ekyo nigo serikali yababeikeire chimilioni 10 abwase abantu wetania emya eyemo na 50 na babere nigo barache kokonyeka nestima eye.
Serikali ya Kenya imeweka shilingi milioni 11 itasambazwa kwa watu 162 kwa muda itakayochukua. Tukipata material zote within 2 months itakuwa imeisha. Ningependa kuambia wananchi wetu kuwa materials zikifika waweza kuzichunga vizuri, na ukiambiwa ukate miti tafadhali ukate.
Omokonyi bw'omugambi bw'esa application eyo aserieta Charles Charana nigo agokeire gitambukiro ekyo na kuburia abantu benseme eyo kubirenda ebintu ebyonsi bigocha gutumika asokubekwa estima eyo nabo igokera oyomo oburiwe tabaisa gutanga ase e-post estima erabekwe
yongwireneria abagani baita bachire ngambu ya mono batoreteire estima iyato chandira sama tukamange naende bagoikera omochumbe bamotenga mbuya mono naende mbuya mono esenge njato konyire estima gesatwa byare tuntwana kora estima lakini lero katwa chakire kora chifomu ge estima yakorire ki yachire egento kende ya kabere ntubuna abananchi estima yekere gocha chiposti ngocha chire ne chikepo ngocha chire naende nto abana intu abatangani kwanza gochiba igoni intu abatangani gochirenda ngoetere migondo y'abantu igoteeta kwao naendo tebe ngabuta yo yatakire gweta ogotebi gogecha omote asera iniere goikogecha emete igoni ekina karokyo goika tugesingatie
oborendi bakabuboro muna torororekero torororo omong'ino gochikobwatu ko omwana oyo gochikukunege ntokeria itukerio nabo kabononye nde kware kobonia eko areke nege ntuje tuje atire ndo gotiga
Igitambukiro eke nigoboigo kiagokeirwe na bamenyi benseme iyo abo bakire buya asumubunge bwebunge iyo Omoske Patrick Osero ase okubarwanirira wikabarabwo kwegwa estima iyo
point entang'ani ekero mheshimiwa irete chikura igatebeta abantu banyanchoka first priority ako bana mang'ana estima lakini onye sukumire igo nyasaye bwanchire twareteirwe estima
narorire estima yanchire engoro yane ko ngaka buye geko gera ko ne nyamira nachikogora maguto na maguta korora bona lero ne igure estima kero yakirange tindi kogoka abangi na moko goka
nonyore omuntu ndo kunya gukwana gujimaga nutakagotegera mang'ana egente kenene omujumbo oseranya kobororo naenda asesenigwe miaka gegocha 2027 ntomoroche nende twamanyire ikieni giosero
omoroberi oyiga bogoche kobekerwa estima ase ekinyereke iga kia Nyanchuka nigo urachikobago konya abantu gwetania emia eyemo na 50 na babere kinko reporter getembe koroiga ase ekinyereke iga kia Nyanchuka ekyo kegotoka ase sublocation ya Nyanchuka location ya Busaragei ward ya Kiabonyoru ebunge ya Burabu county ya Nyamira Jefa Tigad Gesemba
Biamono homoli kito fadiga digisemba hasoro votiru. Ujumbe webunge ya kitutu cha Chester Muske Anthony Kibagende nigase alikuwa kurwa samagacho je bunge nene no monogari webunge Moses Wetangura niye kubwatikana no gukwana chinkwana chikote abuno monogari webunge yo no mokonywe nigo basalire bunge yo kurengana na bajumbe benseme yo nigo baba kumumochi Kibagende kubwatikana ne chinkwana echo asibono homonogari yo harugo guchika guchia Sekibagende gutaikarana hamagacha yo naboigo chia bisi chaire ne bunge yo nikobono harugo chikaboigo soko ya Kibuna Kibagende na chikoruo ogosaba ukwabira guchia saba jumbe.
On behalf of the members of parliament, we want to just say that we take great exception of the words used and the statements made by Honorable Kibagende this morning. I think he has acted in a disorderly manner. He has cast aspersions on the character of the Speaker, the character of the Deputy Speaker, and the character of the entire Presidium. He has also tried to ruin the name of Parliament. Don't cast aspersions on the character of someone or say things about a person when they are not present to be able to substantiate or to be able to defend themselves. I think that is wrong. And if you ask me, Honorable Speaker, I think we should be asking that he be suspended from the House for the maximum period allowable, which is 28 days.
On behalf of Kibagende, I will apologize to this House. Unfortunately, the so-called Honorable Kibagende is one man who never comes to this House. And even when he comes, he never even contributes. In actual sense, Kibagende has no reason to be in this House. And his constituents should really be sympathetic to what they did by voting such a man who goes talking about the same parliament that he doesn't even understand anything about. I have never had this man contribute to anything to do with his constituents. But when he goes on TV, he wants to do showbiz. Honorable Kibagende, I was elected by over 200,000 votes. You have no reason to go and tell other people that our house has been auctioned. I am here every day as a first-timer working so hard to contribute to my constituents and the country.
And this is not a matter I'm going to invite the member to explain himself, because I saw and heard with my own eyes and ears. So, Honorable Kibagende, you will be excluded from the sitting of this House until you bring a properly worded apology, not to me. I'm used to being insulted. To the House. To the House. For bringing the House in disrepute. And that apology should be delivered to the clerk. It will be looked at carefully. If the wording is acceptable, then it will be brought to the House and you will be allowed to come back to the House. For now, you are excluded from the proceedings of this House, the presence of Parliament, the committee sittings, including your office in Parliament. Let the stranger leave the House first.
Otero Mwanchomo oligereria bo Moske Anthony Kibagende arogotoira aseli boli iri tukalia rero kurengera nabo kubirengerera byako kubwatikana nikyo omujumbo yo hanyaraka wikiraniwa ase ebunge enene Omwanchomo oligereria nabo gotoma he ujumbe yawo wetera ase namba heyira ase screen yago nabo iko ase social media chonsi chia Getembe TV Ekerengereri kiago nkere kigoro yo mujumbe w'ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South wasaliwa korwa ase ebunge litko lya lero. Motwe homo senator homo chore esto okenyuri nigo yitu haruro kubolia gotia asobotenelu bwe sekta yekawa kwene kibuna ngotinye bale hobo korali bwabo aso kwene kibuna ubole mubekemeliyo kiongo konyakire omung'elingi yago chiaso mulimi ukwana sama aje bunge ye senate marako bayalero mo senator kenyure igatebere buna hegati abateneli be sekta yo mbabwati umumanyi bo isaine egento keirere sekta yo kogendera gokolibobe.
Remembered something that I need to highlight. I'm one of the members who sat in this mediation committee, and to bring to the attention of members is that most of the very critical challenges we've been having with farmers in those societies is to do with administration. We have people who are generally mismanaging that management sector, and I thought this is a good thing because the proposal here is to ensure people are running the management system of coffee are guys who are qualified, who have gone to school. Because for you to be in the management board, you need to have a degree, over 5 years experience. I want to believe that this is a very good and progressive proposal because we are not just going to have people with no knowledge in that sector. These are people who specifically should be knowledgeable in the coffee sector so that even if they are going to engage in management, they know very well what they are doing and what consequences lie if they do otherwise. But generally, I wish to also thank the members of this committee for it really took us a very long time to agree. Having sat in the mediation committee really also gives me exposure to how people think differently. Though our colleagues from the National Assembly would dispute on certain basic things, and I was just wondering why they might not read from the Senate side of things, but now being mediation, at some point we equally had to agree on whatever the report actually shows. So I thank my colleague members and I wish that members support this because this is one way we are going to sort out the mess that we have experienced for quite some time.
Na soroboti urumo nchumo ligiria tanyore homo timoko moke kolende tuzarenda somo timoko liboli ili tukulia lero nigo yu mujumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Omoske Anthony Kibagende kosaliwa korwa sehe bunge enene kerengeri kiago gerekigoro yo mujumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Omoske Anthony Kibagende kosaliwa korwa se hamagaji bunge enene litukulia lero yamagiga yo komoji omonogeli bwebunge yo naboigo mokonye asogateba buna nigo basalirie ebunge yo abongo changira gwetera ase namba eyera ase screen yago naboigo ase chinsemo chionsi cha social media ase Facebook naboigo ninjigo soma ebirengereri byago tunyaro mutimo komoketo koirana tugendere kyonga senchira yobwikira.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development. Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy. Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January Intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Karibu na inde omwancho morigereria nituko liarera boigonigo lituri bolire litukuria rero kubwatikana no mujumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Muskantoni Kabagende aba kagoserigwa korwa sebunge nene kerengereri kyagonkire kigoro yo mujumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Muskantoni Kabagende goserigwa korwa sebunge litukuria rero neye nkubwatikana no komoji homo mnogari bwebunge yo Moses Wetangura no mokonyo ya ase bagatena nigo babeire bakobeke bunge yo asabe ebirengereri byabo nabo gutuma gwetira se namba eyera se screen yago nabo igo nabo koswali Facebook Getembe TV honyari gukorwa ebirengereri byao Muraibenso muske William Ruto nigo hene kibuna serikali nechikubwatirana na serikali ye county ya Nairobi buna encherejemo yogotingia bokorari we county yo kukwana chinga kicho kubekese yo kubwatirana we serikali echibire oraibense nigene kibuna taligo chigwe sana ninobora iwe serikali ye county ya Nairobi.
Our constitution establishes two levels of government distinct in mandate yet interdependent in purpose. It recognizes that as our capital city grows, responsibilities expand, and national priorities evolve, the institution of government must work in structured partnerships within the law, in coordination, and in the national interest to guarantee effective governance and reliable service delivery. It is in this constitutional spirit of cooperative governance that we are gathered here today to strengthen collaboration between the national government and the Nairobi City County government and to deliberately raise the performance, efficiency, and global standing of our city. Nairobi is not merely another devolved unit. Nairobi is our capital, the seat of the Republic, and the nerve center of national administration. That there comes a time when we must pull together. We are committing 3.7 billion towards street lighting modernization and expansion. We will transition progressively to solar solutions. The national government, working with the Kenya Power, we will invest 1.5 billion in transformers and proper last mile connections. What we are augmenting today is not a transfer of functions. Let me repeat. There is no transfer of functions happening. For the avoidance of doubt, I have no interest in running the city of Nairobi. My hands are full. The governor and his team must run the city of Nairobi.
Ase semu yaye homo gavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigago kerege tambo kerekyo hasene kibuna na chikora byomochio Nairobi unechere yemo yo wikirania maganio yo moraibense aso kwenekinsi ya Kenya ngoswera serombe ye kinse chiri chigendrete.
Today is a great day for the capital city of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency, in the 13 years of devolution, Nairobi City County has not had an opportunity to leverage and benefit from its unique position as a capital city of the Republic of Kenya to get the special attention, resources, and support. Section 6 of the Urban Areas and Cities Act, which anchors this agreement, provides that beyond being a county like the other 46 counties, Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, the seat of the national government, host to diplomatic missions, including the only United Nations headquarters in the Global South, and the center of commerce and industry of the entire region, requiring a special arrangement. Partnering in a number of issues, such as the Nairobi Rivers Commission and the regeneration of the river, water provision to the city, the school food feeding program, which has a separate agreement, roads and mobility, markets, housing, among other areas. The capital city will remain at the center of the transformation to first world status. This agreement provides for a two-tier governance structure for its successful implementation. The steering committee, which will be chaired by the Prime Cabinet Secretary as the coordinator of national government ministries and agencies, deputized by myself, and comprising of cabinet secretaries as well as county staff, will set the overall policy goals and direction. This is not a transfer of functions, as happened during the NMS time, which was a misadventure that left this city with a 16 billion shillings pending bills hole, and which did not augur well with the true spirit of devolution. We thank you for seeing the need and unique place of the capital city and for your support. Your Excellency, there are many things, but let me just mention that already, with your support, we've been able to increase the amount of water coming into the city by 140 million liters a day through the Northern Collector Tunnel, which had been stuck. We will also embark on projects like the Maragua 4 Dam and improvements at Ngedu Water Treatment to achieve close to 200 additional million liters of water daily. Several other such transformational projects will be undertaken. This is the true spirit of devolution, partnership between the levels of government. A lot can be achieved when we come together. Devolution.
Nigo yabo mogoko gochia sabamenyi bensemo ya Mai Mahiu imeye kaunti ya Nakuru ni magega ya serikali kubwatoka chitadotit gochi hasa abantu babete bakubwatirani wano mogoko yobete ko gosalini yabo omutinyo kano mwaka w'ekirubire 2024 hasa abantu 50 gosiri obugimo bwabo n'abandi gwetani chimisato gotigara batabwati obumenyo kukwana chinga kichukura umuroberi yo mukonyi bo murayibense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigo hatebirwa n'umuroberi no kweneki n'abana inchi abo nkwegendere bare asa magimabo chinga kicho Kindiki nigene kibone serikali nechiwekirania magendero asechinsemecho.
Kuna mkasa ambaye ulipatikana na ule mkasa tukapoteza watu wetu, na leo tumekuja hapa kwa sababu ya waathiriwa. Tunaendelea kusema pole kwa wale ambao walipata hiyo mkasa, na tuko hapa kwa sababu tungetaka kuhakikisha kwamba tumesaidia wale ambao walipata mkasa kupata mahali pa kuishi. Na nimesikia iko group mbili hapa. Kuna wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga na nyumba zao zikachukuliwa na maji, na wengine walikuwa wamekodisha. Sasa vile nimefika hapa, wale wote ambao walikuwa wamejenga nyumba zikachukuliwa na maji watapata ardhi, na wale wote pia walikuwa wamekodisha, pia hao tutawatafutia makao. Maneno ya land compensation, ile ardhi imepatikana. Wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga watapewa ardhi leo, tutatoka hapa na title deed. Na wale walikuwa wamekodisha, hata hao nimeamrisha Wizara ya Ardhi baada ya kushauriana na Rais, hata wale ambao walikuwa wamekodisha mutapewa ardhi. Waziri yako na hiyo instructions. Tuko na program kubwa hapa ya affordable housing na markets na hostels, lakini nimesikia soko yetu ya Mai Mahiu imekawia. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie nitarudi hapa within 1 week, nilete contractor wa ku break ground hii soko. Na hii masoko na hii mambo ya kujenga affordable housing inapatia vijana wetu kazi. Ndio vijana wetu wasikae vile kazi. Hatutaki vijana wetu waendelee kutumiwa na wanasiasa ati kupiga kelele, kupiga nduru. Tuwatafutie kazi kwa affordable housing. Wale wengine tumewapatia pesa ya nyota wafanye biashara. Wale wengine kazi mtandaoni. Wale wengine kazi majuu. Hiyo ndio jukumu letu kama serikali, kuhakikisha wana youth wetu hawatumiwi na wanasiasa kupiga kelele na kuleta vurugu katika mikutano. Kwamba tumeanza ujenzi wa barabara hii ya kutoka Rironi.
Kero riberera ria gisiasa rigendete gukina ni gabarayi bagendete kwirobere aneno mono be serikali yensemeli kwamiririe serikali igobona hoko bagekano kukwa nekiwe asekyama kya ODM ase habarayi bagendete kwokobako nabande kwamiririe kya mekyogo swa ase serikali muri kito Samu Migenda na roboti rwa senchira yobikira.
Liberera ria gisiasa nigo rigenderete gukina matuka bwangoiga chinsemo chonsi kurwa ase serikali.
Sasa tuendelee, si rais anapata 2 term, si ni 14 bila break, si ni 14 supu. Otsosi ndugu yangu, unajua nakupenda, na we ni deputy party leader ya ODM. Tuendelee, baba alituacha kwa broad base.
Nabo igo chinsemo chiricho kwamiriria serikali.
Mimi ningekuomba rais, just address us through our structures. Wabunge wengine wakisimama hapa hawaongee kwa niaba ya ODM. Kama Mheshimiwa Elisha, Mheshimiwa Jalango, hawa tuliofukuza kwa chama. Kwa hivyo hawezi wakakuja hapa waongee mambo ya ODM. ODM, mkiona Ososi mmeona ODM.
Ilio abana siasa kweroberia asobochori bumwakonde.
Mwaka huu tutaanza mambo ya mazungumuzo, mambo ya kuzungumuza 2027, na tumesema tuanze na chama cha UDA.
Kurendeli tundalie kiamagia ODM nigo ligenderete kubutorwa ase chinsemo ibere. Nsema ya moni liere ase nsemo ya serikali kusi broad-based ikoragwa no Buru Oginga.
Lakini sasa ile ya mbele sisi tutaipigia kura, hatuwezi kuwa bila power. Ni lazima tupate power. Na hiyo kupata power.
Mwenyekero gogwe kiamagia ODM Gladys Wanga.
Siku kama chama tunarudi kwa opposition. In the 2027 elections, ODM will either be the government or will be part of the coalition forming that government.
Muraibu abarabake Junet Mohamed.
Safari hii ODM imetengeneza serikali ya Kenya.
Abawaziri John Badi, Opiyo Wandayi na Boygo Ali Hassan Joho na baraibande kurwa ase ekiama agia ODM. Kurende ekengese kendegi ensemo yenderi tunda ria ODM ni goge ko babwatani abarai bali batari gwanchereria serikali gose broad-based kuragwa na Edwin Sifuna oyuru sigwa buno mulikyo monene bwe kiamagia ODM. Godfrey Ososi oyuro yo mwega tia bakonyi babarai be kiamagia ODM.
Wakora waliingia kwa stage yetu asubuhi wakavunja mitambo hii hadi kutuzuia tusiweze kuongea na nyinyi.
Babu Owino, James Orengo, Caleb Hamisi, Okongo Mogeni, Anthony Kibagendi, Richard Onyonka, Obadia Barongo, Clive Gisairo Karalio Mondi, Winnie Odinga na baraibande kurwa ase ekiamekyo.
Ndelire kebera eliko nyenywe ubageni. Mogo ikera bandu ba anango kamame mtundora kebera. Chipare chata ngase.
Ikikundi gia Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino, James Orengo, Caleb Hamisi, Okongo Mogeni, Godfrey Ososi, Richard Onyonka, Patrick Makau na baraibande nigo bagendete gukora emekutano ao unabono bachakirite kurwa ase county ya Busia bakagenda ase county ya Kajiado asaba koreto mukutano monne ime ya Kitengela.
Busia oye! Atuzumuzi na mtu yoyote mpaka hawa vijana wetu wapate haki zao.
Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Tumefika hatujafika? Tumefika hatujafika? Walituwekea kunzwa na gani wanatuweza? Wanaweza?
Kurende ensemeri ya broad-based na eroni kiagendete gukora emekutano ase babwate kirenga yo kurende ground egente nonya nabo bali batari ase ensemo ya broad-based bagoteba nga linda mwananchi.
Ni sisi kutoa uamuzi ya kutaka kutoka. Kwa hivyo tumeweka rasmi ya kwa tutoke katika azimio ili tuweze kuganga yajayo.
Liururu cholia Sifuna nigo likoreng'anigwa emiaka ya kare. Ase ekiamagia Ford Kenya kia watu guatanekana kiromo gaka Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Akwete.
Kamala Kijana is no longer chairman of Ford Kenya. Okay? Ford Kenya is now going from henceforth to be led by a caretaker committee.
Ogwetanekana nigo kwanegatigwe ningo orachi kubwate sia kijana wa Malwa ase ensemo yokorae kiamekyo egatia James Orengo na boigo Raila Odinga.
We'll have another go. We are not giving up. The party is still there. The constitution has not been suspended. The NEC is still there. We'll have another go at another election.
Litangani kijana wa Malwa nigo atagete kubwate si Raila Odinga kurende agaonchorerie birengere bia na kubwate si Orengo. Kero bagenda sobochori Orengo nigabwete obochori obu nakabomokonyi okijana wa Malwa kurende egento gitago giti Raila Odinga. Kagera akanganya kurwa ese kiamekyo na korosia ekiama kia NDP.
The time has come to change course. I wish to inform you that I have resigned as a member of Ford Kenya. I hereby tender my resignation as a member of parliament.
Abono kero librereri ligendete kukina no kurusigwa Wasifuna kurwa ase ekiama gia ODM.
Mimi ndio Sifuna. Nimekuja hapa
nonya uchiete ase Kigambero eliko tenenia omoro buliywe ase kiria tabetali okubwatiri chiko ekiama gia ODM getikare koba ekiama gekongu kero ogwatanene kana kwendete kwenekigwa ase abarai kuripoteri getasini kiagetembe Chinsam Miyenda.
Bemuno homorikito Samu Miyenda haso robotiro. Monjo murigereria kubwatikana nelibo lili litukulia lero aso mujumbe webunge ya kitutu cha South Muske Anthony Kibagendi aba kagoseriwa kurwase bunge nene karengereri kya onkere kigoro yo mujumbe webunge yo goseriwa nikoboigo ujumbe ikigendete goswa ase enchira erendunge ase moikoroba korunyantiringa agoteba buna na singenjo omujumbe Kibagendi hagendete gukwana ekene na ref Finlay Mose nigagote buna na sikeri Muske Kibagendi agendete kwambiririe serikali aseboigo arurokobori gochi haso Muske Kibagendi gosaba okwabira Mauricio Gechi kurwa Rorigorian nigagote buna Kibagendi aserwe kapisa sengencho tabwati mosimamo yesnara goteba buna na sengencho agendete ko koboko mati agina kikyo bagendete kumwaka esegiyo enene kapisa abigonso gaiga sense moyende birangerali nigo bigendete baswa senchira ere endonge mbaka kwatena naki Omuske Kibagendi tanya gukwana kende gyonsi ase bunge goigo kobeka gosikobeke motion ende yonsi ase bunge enene Josno nerakoro ku Vincent Okioro kurwa Kisi Denmark nigo hagote buna na sengencho atariko koboko omuraibenso Muske William Ruto na wikiraga bo mwanchomo ligereria nongo yakolera mangana mayaye kionga chinsebere kolende chikoraga chinsenya ningirane nkomanya senchira yo boikirano litirane seras nyakunde asensemeli bimenyererio nigalenge Wilson Makoli nago sabiro twale obuligereri borobya
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogoko obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirugo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
ase wodi yabo chiburabu imeye bunge ya mumachoge burabu okoreisigwa kwemeroberio ya macho chinsemo aao na kukoire libagali nene kigima igatie binyoro byanyo liro gokunyerwa ebisima gokonya bamenyingamo no kolemwa kugesima kya igembe
Kote yo mugavana itombya muna